What is aggregated open interest and how to get free access to it? Basically, open interest, it is the amount of trades that we take on exchange. Example, if you right now open one Bitcoin futures, you increase open interest. The same when all people around the world do, we increase open interest. For you, here in the cards will be a full free lesson about what's open interest in depth. Watch it after this lesson. Remember that open interest, it's only about derivative exchanges, it is about futures only. And what's the difference between simple open interest and aggregated? Aggregated, it is when you combine data from many exchanges. As you know, in crypto right now, there are several exchanges that control most of futures market. And example for you, top coins based on open interest at this moment, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Like Solana, more than 85% of all open interest, you add Binance, Bybit, and OKX, and it is most of the market. Same with Bitcoin, Binance, Bybit, OKX, and same with Ethereum, Binance, Bybit, and OKX. All other exchanges, as you can see, they not even close to it. Why does this stuff matter for us? Before I tell you, I ask you to push like, subscribe, and follow me on Telegram to be updated, get free lessons, articles, and signals that will help you make money. Once more, why does this stuff matter for us? Because when you trade futures, it's better when you have a lot of data and you understand where people enter position, when liquidation happens, etc. It gives you a bigger picture. I will share with you for free my lessons about how I use personally open interest in trades and how it helps me make money. That's why in the cards and descriptions there would be a free lesson about my strategy, how exactly you can use it. Where you can get the stuff. First one, it is you can go on website Coin Analyze. And second one, it is a validator. Let me show to you shortly how they looks. Here it's how Coin Analyze looks, Coin Analyze Net, and you can open any coins and you can see here example a chart, and below here you can see this open interest. But on Coin Analyze they add all of these exchanges. That's why you can filter here how many data you would like to see. There are all these exchanges in a list. Honestly, I personally like way more Velo because Velo it's way accurate and it works really easy, and you can switch between coins really faster. And we recorded additional lesson about Velo, how we use it. Also, it will be in description to this video. And here it is exactly open interest aggregated, and you can see here we have top exchanges, Binance, Bybit, OKX, and you can see all reliable data. How to use it? My friend, right now I prepared for you a tutorials about my strategies based on aggregated open interest. That's why just watch those lessons that will help you understand my strategies, and that will help you understand in what cases what strategy better to use. Enjoy, and I would like to see you in next videos. Bye.